Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file and preparing layers so changes stay non-destructive. Unlock the background or add a solid color fill layer. This gives you editable color beneath or above artwork. Choose the color mode first because RGB versus CMYK affects appearance. Make sure your target color matches the document profile. Once done, pick the color swatch you want. This first step ensures you can change page color without altering pixels, which is faster and safer for revisions. Now apply the color using a fill layer or an adjustment for more control. You can use layer new fill layer solid color to instantly change the page. Choose the swatch and set blend mode if needed. For nuanced shifts, add a hue/saturation or color lookup adjustment above your artwork and clip or mask it to the page. Make sure to paint or refine the mask edges so the color only affects the intended area. This approach preserves original pixels and lets you tweak hue, saturation. Finish by blending the color into the page and exporting correctly. Tweak the fill layers, blend mode, and opacity to integrate with textures or shadows. Change to multiply, overlay, or normal depending on the result. Keep editable layers for future edits. Rasterize only when you must export a flattened image. If colors look wrong, make sure the document profile matches your intended output and check layer order or masks. If problems persist, toggle the fill off and on to isolate the issue before undoing major steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.